In this video, I want to demonstrate how you can change the capture size in Automate My Task. And basically, when you start off, this is a 20 by 20 grid. And so if we come in here, highlight it at F1, come over, look at something, move away. There's a lot of white space here, and depending on what you're doing, it just might be better. Now, of course, you can trim it down like I demonstrated before. And display matches, great, it found it. But let's say you want to start off with a more of a rectangle or a smaller area. You can come into this change capture size, and you can, the smallest you can go is 11 by 11. And it's gonna, I think it's gonna limit you here. It knows I have a selection. So let's, how do I get out of this? Let me close that. Clear steps. Now, let me come back in here. Because there was something there, that's why I couldn't shrink it down more. So you want to do this without anything there, just to make it simpler. So update size. Now notice this area shrunk down. Now when I do an F1, notice how much smaller that area is. And there are, pros and cons of this. Let's do a display matches. Now it found it both those, which we saw before, right? Not a big deal. Let's say, again, let's clear steps because we don't want to have that limitation. And let's change capture size. And let's do a width of, let's say, 30 and a height of 15. Update size. So this is going to adjust. Now there are some outer bounds. I mean, Maestro showed me you can make it really big, but things start getting a little quirky when you do that. And actually, just so I can see there's some buttons here that look a little weird, but let's go ahead and hit F1 here. Come over here. Now we can get, now we're getting the whole, almost the whole word format. Display matches. Everything's still working pretty good. But yeah, you can adjust that capture size. Just make sure if you do that, like if I come back in here right now, the width, I can't shrink it down because it's like, hey, you can't do that. But if I came in here apparently and did this, then, oh, that's interesting. Can I do that all in one? Let me close that. Let me try it again. Change capture size. Nope. Interesting. So I guess it doesn't go off of that. It's going off the full thing. So you'd want to clear this thing out and then shrink it down. But I think the 20 by 20 is a good size, or maybe having a little bit wider if you're looking for words. But basically, you can adjust it to what you want. Cheers.